Okay, first of all, we need to take some ribbon and use the ribbon, look, to take the three sides of the table. Okay, look. I take the length for three sides of the table. Okay, after we cut off the ribbon, and in order to prevent the thread to go out from two ends of the ribbon, we need to use some file. Okay. Okay, the next material is the ruffled strand. Look at this one. We will take the length of the ruffled strand. Take the length from the top of the table to the floor. Be careful, don't stretch the string because it's wrinkled, so it will be shorter than when you drag it. Just put it from the top of the table and randomly drop on the floor. Look. And then take the length, then actually what you want. For example, you can take the length a little bit more longer than what you measure, because the ruffle string is wrinkled. It will shorter than what you want. Okay, then cut it off. Okay, so I took a lot of the string. And then let's start to serve it on the ribbon. Very simple, just serve it on the ribbon, or you can use some glue to stick it on the ribbon. That will be okay also, but I like to serve it. It's not much difficult. So just put the string on line and serve together will be okay. Okay, completed for the first layer. Look at this. We just serve it on the line will be okay. Okay, then the second layer, we will use the string and serve it on the middle of two strings on top. Two string, and the second layer, the string will be on the middle of the two string. Serve it. Okay, completed. Look, 2 layers. Look at this. The first layer and the second layer. And if you want it to be much more full, you can add another layer, but that would make you cough a lot. So let's check the effect by using 2 layers of the ruffled string. But we have another material. This is the Velcro. We need to add the Velcro on the back side of the ribbon because we need to stick it on the table. Okay, very simple. Just put the Velcro on the back side of the ribbon and sew them together. You can use some glue on it, but because this type of table skirt could be reused many times, so I like to use to sew them together to make it much more sturdy and we can reuse many times. Okay, completed. Look, I served the Volcon together with this ribbon. Around with the edge of the ribbon will be okay. Look at this. Around the edge of the ribbon. Okay, and then just cut off the rest of the Velcro will be okay. Also, cut off the rest of the Velcro around the edge of the ribbon will be okay. Like this. Okay, cut off the ribbon. Cut off the Velcro. Okay, look, completed. Let's check the effect by putting on the table. Okay, first of all, we need to put on the tablecloth. We pick a pink color tablecloth, which the color close to the skirt we make. Okay, look, this is the effect after we put on the tablecloth. And then we need to use the iron clip and put it on around the table because we want it to hold this tablecloth and our skirt. Okay, then let's put on our skirt. No, because we already served the Velcro on the skirt, so on the ribbon, so we can firmly stick it to the clip. Look. Okay, look, this is the effect after we put on the table clothes, the table skirt we made. This is the effect. Let's zoom in to check the data. Look, actually, the ruffle string not full enough. You can serve more ruffle string on the skirt, on it, but that will increase the cost. Also, if you don't want to serve the string on the ribbon, you can use some groups or just tie on the ribbon. That will be okay also. And for your information, we supply all material used on our video: the tablecloths, the clip, and the string. About the color, we have different colors of the string and the tablecloths. If you are interested, you can link to our blog. You can find the link from the information field below this video. And also, this is our DIY idea by using our tablecloths and our ruffle string. If you like the traditional ruffle skirt, we have another video. Look, this is the traditional ruffle string table skirt. If you are interested, you can click here for my old tutorial to check the detail. Okay, back to this video, and this is today's tutorial. For the following video, I will use some flower and other material together with this table skirt we made to make some decoration. If you are interested, you can subscribe our video. And please do me a favor by do not skip the advertisement, because I need the revenue to buy more material and take more video. Please help to share, comment, and like our video as supporting. Okay. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.